Well, hello. Gary Schultze with Gary Schultze Real Estate, Century 21 Beutler and Associates. Today we are in Post Falls, Idaho, and we're going to take a visit to Sawmill Grill. Sawmill Grill is located at 302 North Spokane Street in Post Falls on the corner of 3rd Avenue and Spokane. Sawmill Grill was established in 2019. The building was moved, and it was actually the office building of the sawmill that was located over there. They moved it and opened in this location. Sawmill Grill has an awesome menu. Wings and chicken quesadilla for starters. Nice selection of burgers. Some tacos, to name a few. They also have a small but well-stocked bar. A couple of TVs for some sports viewing. They also have this really cool outside patio. I'm here in the mid-afternoon, close to 3 p.m. Usually it's bustling with people, and they've got this cool fire pit here. And upstairs, they have this well-stocked whiskey bar. They have this cool finished wood bar that sits on a base made out of pieces of trees. They also have a couple of TVs up here for sports viewing. Sawmill Grill has a good selection of beers. Today I ordered the animal burger. It's a 6-ounce patty. Comes with American cheese, lettuce, tomato, and animal sauce. I also got the waffle fries. This looks delicious. This burger's loaded. I'm gonna cut it in half. I'm gonna give it a try. It's delicious. There's a lot going on here. Animal sauce is really tasty, and the burger is cooked really well. Like it. Sawmill Grill also has this very cool dessert menu after 4 p.m. daily. Well, I'm all done. That was delicious. So much food I couldn't finish it all, but I did my best. Sawmill Grill is located in Post Falls on Spokane Street on the corner of Spokane and 3rd Avenue. It's about a half mile south of I-90 and north of the Spokane River. Gary Schultze Real Estate, Century 21 Beutler and Associates.